I came to Compass because I wanted to engage with stem cell research on a professional level.
I was very interested in stem cell research. I actually learned about it through one of my friends.
This program really allowed me to really learn from people who were a part of the research and a part of the medical field and learn more about those aspects of the career that I want to be a part of.
Growing up in Maui, Hawaii, I never had access to biotechnology.
Personally, I didn't have any research experience. None of my family members are in the medical or research fields.
I've never really been in the research lab before, so I was kind of nervous about how my first experience would be in a lab. But after coming here and the proctor with Dr. Menendez, it's a really guided approach and teaches you a lot.
So Compass is a 2-year fellowship provided by the California Institute for Regenerative Medicine to provide a cohort of 10 students.
It starts you with the 4-week boot camp where you get hands-on interactive experience, kind of orchestrated in a manner that's comprehensive for everyone. After the boot camp, you go into a full-time for the summer where you'll be working with a doctor or principal investigator. They really emphasize working in the labs full-time for the summer, and to kind of help with that, and they give you a stipend. The stipend is a substantial stipend, I would say 5 figures, and they also give you a tuition remission, $5,000 in tuition remission for the next school year. When the school year starts, you work in the lab part-time, 10 hours a week at the minimum, and the goal is to work in these labs for at least a year, potentially 2 years. The first year is working in a wet lab environment, and the second year, you're given the opportunity to work in a more clinical setting or some things that are more tailored to your interests. And so the program overall teaches you how to articulate medicine, it has mentorship, advisors, it has financial contributions, and it also has 12 units of coursework that you take alongside your classes for a possible progressive degree program, which you can do as your master's.
It's really cool because I get to do a lot of experiments that I've never done before, and I get to talk about the ethics behind stem cell technology with a group of highly motivated individuals with a similar background to me.
So the program is very unique, and I'm very grateful to be in this program.